Hello guys, I wish this was a live stream, but I don't know how to. I'm recording with my voice right now. And let's try and do this Balisong. Okay. This is the pebble box. One of my favorite skins for the whole bottle. Oh, that was clean. Okay, that's a backstab. Oh, tried to do the backstab, but yeah. Missed. Small hitbox. Yo, is this thing tweaking? This knife skin is so tough. I'm crying, son. I'm crying. Son, I'm crying. Son, me crying, son. Double tap. I glaze this. I love glazing ladies' hot dogs. I glaze people's hot dogs because it's humongous. Whoa! Oh my god, I have to love that animation. Oh. Now we'll try and do a match with this skin. Please. You know what? 1v1. I might find a no grass touching guy. Who knows? I hate grass. That's why I play this game. Let's see if one of those rifles kids. It's not those rifle kids. Okay, we're good. Milk ASMR. God, grass. Okay, it's always arena, and that's why I picked it. I know how to satchel jump, guys. Trust. Have auto on because I don't know. Oh my god. Spammy. Wow, that took a lot. I'm the god of sarcasm. Yeah. Man. Shut your chicken bone up. Oh, crap. I'm done. How did he kill me and I won at the same time? That makes no sense. Fix your game, Nasty. You know what it is, boys. Freeze ray time. Ah, crap. I'm getting cooked like an egg in an omelet. You know how it is with this existential crisis. I might actually win, or I just might die like everyone else. You're nothing special, you're born alive like the rest of them. GG's, twin. Wait, redeem code bonus, I have to do that. Wait, yeah, I already did. I played this game for a long time and seen that screen a lot. I already followed Nasmi and, Sensei. No, Doc's twin. Oh, now I can boost. You know what it is, it's boosting time, baby. Oh, Daddy, it's so deep. Oh, that was failed. Okay, I need to fix my donkey-ass loadout. What the hell? Oh, we win. GG's. I should test out something. Okay. Wait. Satchel. Okay. God, I hate these string things. When I try to clutch those things, lip onto me. Bitches. Ugh. just means dog. Bitch just means female dog. Never say that to a woman. So I just had to crash out. I just had to crash out, twin. God damn it. I'm just experimenting with Diddy blood. It's fine. What is this Diddy blood doing on the calculator's blood? Einstein. What is this Diddy blood doing on the calculator's blood? Einstein. I mean, okay. Oh! Damn. Well, this MF had to get in the way. Boom. Boom, twin. And boom, twin. Triple or nothing. Wait, what the heck? Wait, see? You can only have one dackle. That happens if you just do this quickly. And then you have 0 daggles until you just redo. And you can only have one daggle. It looks like this. It's kind of broken. I don't know why it just looks like that. Hey guys, I have fists. I have the fish skin. Let's do heavy TF2 now. This is heavy TF2 loadout. Bulldozer time. Bulldozing TDD. Okay, twin, I think we're done. Goodbye.